Our winner of week 1, Morgan Kavanaugh. Our winner of week 2, Rebecca Corley. And our winner of week 3, Cynthia Robinson. Okay. So our 4 weekly winners, our 3 weekly winners, plus tonight, will be moving on to the regionals against other weekly winners from different competitions across New Brunswick. And they'll face the judges, where the judges then represent 50% of the vote. So watch for details online at www.maritimeisland.com. And we need a drum roll for tonight's decision. I'm happy to say the voting was so close, we're going to let the judges decide. So we're moving you both on to the regionals. Congratulations to Danielle Richard